Oh, this is pretty. This is like Betty Crocker.
I'm
But there's Mandy. She's locked out tonight. Yes. There's Sherry. Hi, Sherry.
Oh, yes, darling.
Mandy, show us your socks. We want this recorded that you wear holy socks.
That's right, preacher. They preach for me.
Really bad.
Let's try the other one.
How much you gave me, Mommy? A half box or whole?
Probably a half a pound. Beware of the dog.
Very thin, 1 pound.
Julie, what did you make tonight?
Salads.
Oh, it's like Betty Crocker's
Our
kitchen.
next item up today is our beautiful art.
Oh, let's look at Mommy's neat housework. Oh, Mommy, you do so good. Yes, Mom.
Today on CVM we'll be
You really-
sponsoring this lovely watch and Sisler, our celebrity guest to join. Now this thing I'll tell you worth at least $2,000 because it was loved by our famous Sharon Sisler.
Mommy, look, we adopted Mandy.
Our next item is the dogs.
Don't show her, don't do that.
The dogs
Beware the dogs.
The dogs, our dogs are very tempestuous today. Now, next item is our cook. Yes,
This is good. This tastes very good.
where's
Come have a
glasses?
look at this. This is good.
Oh, what you got there in the pot, Betty Crocker? Oh, that looks nice.
This is good.
Spaghetti.
Tempt your tummy.
Hey, Mommy, look.
Chef never tell.
Mommy, look, horsey.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, how nice. The kids are playing in the kitchen.
All over her lap. She called her father. She had a mishap. Kissed her mouth. Five out of mouth. Now all she had on. Spaghetti and smile.
Oh, very good, kids. Very good. Oh, give me a big smile,
It
kids.
rolled down her shirt, then to her lap, you know.
Oh, how nice.
All right, I want everybody to give Mama a big hand clap because she did
Scottie.
such a good job. Ready? Hand clap.
Oh,
3 cheers for Mama. Ready? Hip hip hooray!
Hey,
Hip hip
Scottie.
hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Mom, let her dance. Come here. Lazy dog.
Come on, Scottie.
Come on, she jump up. Real high. Come on, jump up.
Hey, Scottie. Here, jump.
Come here, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Hey, I can help you.
Come on, hey, come on,
Let me check you.
come on, you can do it.
Jump.
Up, 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 up.
tell her to give you a paw.
Shake, shake.
Aw, smile, Julie.
Dance. Great.